Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School, your ultimate source of knowledge for everything to do with YouTube automation. In today's video, we will be providing you with a tutorial on YouTube automation as a business model in 10 minutes. Are you completely new to the lucrative world of YouTube automation? Then sit back, relax, grab a coconut if you have one, and prepare to have your mind blown by our expert knowledge on the concepts of YouTube automation. Firstly, we will just briefly explain what YouTube automation is for those that don't know. In a nutshell, YouTube automation refers to the use of software or tools to automate repetitive tasks and processes on the video sharing platform YouTube, such as uploading videos, managing comments, creating playlists, and optimizing video tags and descriptions. The goal of YouTube automation is to save time and increase efficiency in managing a YouTube channel. In YouTube automation models, usually the channel owner will assemble a team of individuals that help generate content for the various aspects of the channel, such as a script writer, a video editor, a voice-over specialist, and a thumbnail artist. This is often referred to as an automation team. The ideology behind automation teams is that by having more people able to focus solely on specific aspects of the channel manager can focus solely on managing the team and thus acts as a sort of passive member to the channel. Ultimately, YouTube automation is a business model that allows channel owners to passively generate income, as their team does most of the heavy lifting for them while they sit back and rake in the generated income and revenue. Of course, after distributing it equally amongst the members of the team, that is. YouTube channels that follow this model are also often referred to as cash cow channels. The first step to setting up your very own YouTube automation channel is to select a niche. We have a great video on our channel that explains high RPM, or revenue per mile, niches on YouTube, as well as explaining what they are in much more depth. However, in a nutshell, a niche is a particular genre of content, if you will, such as creating gaming videos, for instance, that a channel will choose and market themselves towards. Selecting a niche has many benefits for a channel, and so it is important for YouTube automation channels to decide on a niche early on and build themselves towards this particular chosen interest. This can help capture an audience, as well as increase your channel branding awareness, so that viewers will associate you with a particular niche. Furthermore, high RPM niches are niches that can bring in the largest amount of traffic and revenue, and we cover this in more detail in our other videos. However, in short, YouTube automation channels are often set up in a high RPM niche so that they can attract the most revenue possible. To simply like videos and subscribe to channels on YouTube, all you need is a personal Google account. But if you aspire to create your own channel and make your content available to the public, you must create a YouTube channel. There are two options to choose from: a personal YouTube account or a branded account for a business. In the case of setting up a YouTube automation channel, it's recommended to go with a branded account as it provides access and management capabilities for multiple users. Setting up a branded YouTube account for your YouTube automation channel is crucial in keeping your personal information private and allowing multiple users to access and manage the account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up a branded YouTube account. Go to YouTube and click on Sign in the upper right corner if you're not already logged into a Google account. If you are logged in, click on the account icon, select Switch Account, and then Add Account. Choose Create Account and select My Work or Business. Complete the basic information for your new automation channel to set up your branded YouTube account. Once the channel is set up, you can add other channel managers if you wish. By following these simple steps, you can have a branded YouTube account set up in no time and start uploading and publishing content for your YouTube automation channel. We already have a video on our channel here at Automation School that explains how to set up an automation team and why you need one. So feel free to go and check out that video to get a more in-depth overview on how best to build a high-quality automation team. However, to briefly skim over the concept, you will want to find talented freelancers to create and manage aspects of your YouTube channel for you. For instance, in the initial stages of creating a YouTube automation channel, we recommend that you start with a script writer, video editor, voice actor, and a thumbnail artist, as you will want to set up your channel as a faceless cash cow channel. You can build your team by assigning tasks to freelance script writers, video editors, and voice actors that you may find on freelance sites such as Fiverr and Upwork. These sorts of sites allow you to assign small projects to freelancers for relatively low fees. Once you start generating good amounts of revenue, you can then offer these team members full-time positions within your channel. However, in the initial stages, you will want to stick to a freelance payment model. The next step of setting up your automation channel involves choosing the right automation tools to help your channel growth. YouTube automation tools are software programs designed to assist with managing, optimizing, and growing a YouTube channel. These tools automate tasks such as video upload scheduling, video optimization, keyword research, data analysis, and comment management. Some popular YouTube automation tools include TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Hootsuite, and IFTTT. These tools can help save time, improve channel efficiency, and increase visibility, making it easier to grow your YouTube channel. To ensure seamless collaboration among your team members, it's crucial to establish a proper framework and standard operating procedures. In today's era, modern teams have access to a range of workflow management solutions such as Asana, Trello, or Clockify. These platforms allow you to effectively delegate tasks, monitor project hours, track progress, and organize your content plan for your YouTube automation channel. Along with workflow management tools, incorporating a YouTube automation tool into your business strategy is also essential. The two most prominent YouTube automation tools in the market are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Both offer a range of tools, including both free and paid options, to help you grow your YouTube channel through automated data analysis, research, video editing, and video optimization. These tools make it easier for you to manage your channel and keep your content strategy on track. Once your YouTube automation channel begins to gain traction, it's time to turn your channel into a revenue-generating business. The most common way for YouTube automation channels to monetize is by using YouTube's partner program, which allows you to run ads on your content. To be eligible, your channel must meet the following criteria: over 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, at least 1,000 subscribers, located in a country where the YouTube partner program is available, linked to an AdSense account, compliant with YouTube's monetization policies, no active community guideline strikes. However, there are other ways to monetize your YouTube automation channel. Here are 8 alternatives to consider. Super Chats, a feature that allows viewers to pay to have their live chat message pinned during live streams. Print on demand. Use a service like Printful or Printify to create branded merchandise to sell to your audience. Brand deals/sponsorships. Partner with brands to promote their products or services in exchange for a fee. Selling digital products. Offer ebooks or online courses to your audience. Offering services. Promote your consulting or coaching services through your channel. Affiliate marketing. Promote brands' products to your audience and receive a commission on sales. CPA marketing. Similar to affiliate marketing, but you receive compensation for a wider range of actions taken by your audience. Exclusive memberships. Offer access to exclusive content for a recurring subscription fee. That brings us to the end of the video. We thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our content, and we hope that you now have a better understanding of how to set up your very own YouTube automation channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest information on how YouTube automation can change your life for good. Until next time, see you later, Automators.